National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County, southern Muskingum County, northwestern Noble County, until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Zanesville, or near Zanesville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Cumberland, Bell Valley, Fultonham, Campbellville, High Hill, Chandlersville,